We've had some pretty healthy precipitation amounts over the last 72 hours, especially closer to the coast and in the Mount Shasta area. Up at the end of the show, we'll show you the latest on precipitation totals, rainfall amounts over the last few days. But out there now, we're getting a break in the action. We're going to stay fairly quiet through a good chunk of tomorrow, but then the next storm system starts to move in, especially as we head into tomorrow evening. In the meantime, tonight, some areas of fog, chilly temperatures down to 35 degrees in Medford, down to 28 in Klamath Falls. Tomorrow, up to about 48 degrees in Wairika, 41 in Lakeview. We'll top out around 45 degrees in Grants Pass and 51 in Brookings. Winds picking up along and east of the Cascades, but some stronger gusts expected on Wednesday, especially in Lake County, where we do have a wind advisory in place. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour will be possible, especially in the Summer Lake area. Now, when it comes to snow levels, they'll start off around 5,000 feet as precipitation moves in late in the day tomorrow. And then we do see those snow levels lower into Wednesday, mainly looking at snow for the Klamath Basin. Of course, Siskiyou Summit and the Cascades are higher passes up through Crater Lake and Mount Ashland, but snow levels lower even further, especially Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. And we could see snow making it down to maybe some of our valley floors, especially the Illinois Valley. Ashland, we could see a little bit of snow mixing in, maybe some light accumulation. Also our lower passes on the west side, but any amounts would be fairly light. Now, some big snow is going to be on the way for the Cascades, where we do have a winter storm warning for the Cascades and Siskiyous above 3,500 feet from 4 p.m. tomorrow through 10 a.m. Thursday. Significant snow, heavy and blowing snow is going to make for some very difficult travel for our Cascade passes. We also have a winter weather advisory into Klamath County and western Lake County, especially along Highway 97 up through Chemult. Going to see enough snow to slow travel down. But if you're going to be traveling through the Cascades, best to do that tomorrow morning or afternoon, because we will see snow moving in tomorrow evening, and road conditions will only worsen as we go through the day Wednesday and into Wednesday evening. And road conditions will still be pretty rough as we head into Thursday, as snow showers will linger. Here's Futurecast as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Some breaks of sun, and then here comes the precipitation. Otherwise, mostly cloudy for your Tuesday. Rain, higher elevation snow moving in, some of this moderate to heavy. And then we get a bit of a lull. It kind of comes in a couple waves here. And then the next round working in as we go through the day Wednesday, especially the afternoon and the evening. Notice these lowering snow levels. And this is when we could get some of that lower elevation snow as we head into Wednesday night on into Thursday morning. Some lingering snow showers, especially along the Cascades as we go through the day Thursday. Here's a look at snowfall amounts. 1 to 2 feet for Cascade passes, over 2 feet for Crater Lake, about 3 to 6 inches expected for Siskiyou Summit, and there will be some accumulations for the east side and for portions of Siskiyou County. Looks like fairly light totals for Mount Shasta City. And when it comes to precipitation amounts, rainfall, higher totals along and west of the Cascades, especially towards the coast, likely seeing up over an inch of rainfall. For Wednesday along the coast, we'll also be tracking some big waves as well. That'll linger into Thursday. Northern California, rain, higher elevation snow, lowering snow levels through the middle of the week. The Klamath Basin, pretty good travel weather tomorrow, but Wednesday will be snowy and windy, lingering snow showers into Thursday morning. For the mountains, expect quite a bit more snow. We'll be building up that snowpack, but travel going to be very difficult through the Cascades Wednesday and Thursday. Also not looking great through Siskiyou Summit as well Wednesday into Thursday. Then for the Rogue Valley, tracking some rain, but we'll watch some of that lower elevation snow potential, and then a quiet stretch of weather into the weekend.